In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram audio unavailable. So the first you want to do is check if Instagram needs updating. So leave Instagram, go to Play Store and search for Instagram. If it needs updating, you might want to update it, and this probably is going to fix your issue. But if your issue didn't fix there, then you might want to go and clear the cache. So go to the phone settings, go and search for apps, and then here inside of apps search for Instagram, and then over here you want to go to storage and clear cache and clear data, delete. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your images, any of your personal images or videos inside of Instagram. And after you do this step, you might want to go and try and check if the audio has become available. If it still hasn't become available, then your last option would be to simply report this issue. So you want to go to your profile here and click at the top right, go all the way down, and here you will see help. Click on help and click on report a problem. Here you want to click report problem without shaking. So here click include and continue, and here you want to just type a brief explanation of the problem. You want to upload some screenshot or like images of the audio that is not working and unavailable, and you want to send your report, and the Instagram support will help you fix this issue. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.